This is CS Trades 10. Well, actually, it's not 101 anymore. CS Trades Wolfpack. We switched it. We're rebranded. Okay. It still will come up as CS Trades 101 on YouTube. So I just wanted to say that we're dropping the 101. So it just rolls like that now. So, anyways, wow, what a long night. I've been up working on software for you guys because we have a whole bunch of guests this coming up week. Don't mind me. I'm just grabbing my coffee, getting all set up here. Started a little bit earlier this morning. We're going to be starting at 6. I'm just trying to find my little bit of a niche here. I want to get everybody set up because we're going to have guests coming in. I just want to make sure that everything's working out here on YouTube. Okay, perfect. Good morning, everybody. So let's just go over here. I just want to check out. Give me a second here. I'm just going to get set up here, my friends. Okay, I think we start buying. If you guys left comments and stuff, and I haven't had a chance to really answer a lot of stuff. Okay, everything's good there. Perfect. Okay, let's fly in here. I've already pasted our stream links all over the place, so we're good. Okay, put that on. Okay, 720. Okay, everything's good. We're doing good. Oh, Casey Shaw's on early. Hey, I gotta jump over there for a second. Sorry, my friends. Oh, he's not even on there. He fires his computer. How long does he let his thing run like 24 hours a day? Already for 119 minutes ago he started up. Wow, what a savage. I'm really liking this guy. I really like him. Wow. Pantheon's over there too. We're gonna say hi. Thanks, Wolfpack. Okay, just had to throw it out there. I'm really liking this guy. I said before, he's caught my attention definitely. A bunch of our Wolfpack members follow him. I've just been certain people I'm drawn to, and he's one of them. So yeah, sorry about that, Wolfpack. I kind of went right off on left field on you there a little bit. We're gonna throw up the chat here. Okay, we have a guest coming up. I'll be ready in a few minutes. Jeffrey, just wait a bit. I'm gonna pull you on. At exactly in 1 hour, dude, because I'm gonna get into the show here, and then I'm gonna bring Mediocre on, and then I'm gonna bring you on, brother. Sorry, didn't I put that in the email, or did I screw up? I'm sorry about that. So what I wanted to do is I just wanted to, you don't need to come in. You don't have to come in early and just sit here on the sidelines, man. Go do what you got to do. Relax, go do your thing. I really respect that. I just wanted to give you some time to get up this morning. I was going to get into some stocks, get all set up this morning. I was going to bring Mediocre in earlier, but we're going to switch it up. Oh, there he is right there. Holy crow. Okay, I was going to, that's funny. Christy Smith. Wow. There you go. My ex is watching me. Christy Smith. Mediocre, I'll bring you in a second, buddy. I'm just going to just open things here. So yeah, what we're going to do is switch it up a bit here in the mornings. I just had a meeting last night. We're going to switch it up. I want to give Mediocre a chance to do his day trading. And I kind of have a system that I've been doing for like almost 2 years. So I kind of want to keep doing that. People are all like caught off guard. Whoa, what's going on here? It's a little bit too much, especially because people are making some money on some trades and stuff with me. They just ask me certain questions, and what has happened is I'm answering the questions. It's just not in the same time era. So as you know, that people do, it's not financial advice, but they'll ask me questions and stuff like that. And I'll say, well, if it was me, and people make a lot of money on that stuff. Right. So it's kind of, I've switched it up, and it kind of messed their mojo up. So I just wanted to say, I'm going to divert back to it a bit here. So I know we're kind of back and forth. It's just that I'm going to bring Mediocre in here this morning earlier than I was going to, but tomorrow we're going to switch it back up to that. Okay. I just didn't, wrote him a message, but I don't think that he got it. I know you can hear me. He's on the side office right now. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, Wolfpack. So we're going to be switching back to what it was like before a little bit. So what I'll do is just start at 6 instead of 6:20 like I used to. I'll start at 6, and then I'm going to go till about about 6:45. I'm just going to do 15 minutes of market open. Okay, I'll give him a chance to do is get all of his day trading in, get everybody set up, and then I'll bring him in, and then for like over 3/4 of the show, and then we'll usually bring our guests in at within an hour after I start streaming, just to get everything set up and stuff. I've sat down with a bunch of people. We planned it like this, so there's a lot of thought put into this because we're going to be getting really busy. I've got some guests coming on through all next week with you guys. So I'm going to bring Mediocre in right now. Okay, thanks, Wolfpack. Brother,
Hey,
good morning, my friend.
Sorry I'm late. No, I gotta.
No, you weren't late. I was saying, it's kind of hard to, when you message somebody, I was going to give you like 45 minutes to go set up all your plays, do your stock stuff. That's what all good. I know it's hard to, when you write somebody a message that, just because a lot of the traders and stuff like that usually have, like, I've been doing this for like almost 2 years. They have their system. So they're all like, holy crow, man, I'm losing. Like, our system's all met. Cam, you don't go through the stocks exactly like it. So yeah, they messed them all up. So it's okay. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to give you
that's fine. I just want to come on and say good morning, and I'll just gonna shoot over to my Discord and get ready.
Well, no, you can. Okay, it's up to you. No, you can hang out, dude, if you want. No, I'm just saying it's all good. No, I'm not kicking. It's all good.
No.
Good.
I know we're good. I got to do some stuff over there.
Oh, do you? Okay, yeah. If you want to do that,
late last night, and
hey, I know how it is.
Everything.
You're falling behind on things too, aren't you? It's just too busy, isn't it?
As you can see, I was busy, so.
I know. I seen you on the server last night, and the same thing happened to me. I've like hit almost a landslide here. It just went like crazy. So, yeah, I just it just, and we're gonna get really busy. I got a whole bunch of stuff planned for me and you, but I haven't had a chance to talk.
Yep.
Yeah, you're gonna be busy next week if you don't mind. If you want to participate in that, we're gonna be contacting a lot of these smaller channels, doing something that was never done for me. And I think it's just helping, it's helping the little guys out, right? They have a lot to say too, right? So yeah, did you have anything you want to go through first, brother?
I think I'm actually going to, Trey and Astro put out another video yesterday.
Okay.
And Trey's having a little powwow on his Discord. I think I'm going to do that at around
Go over there and talk to him. Okay.
I think I might put up a
hook, line, and sinker him, man.
On that.
Hook, line, and sinker him. Get him over here. I doubt he will. He knows who we are.
See what happens. See if I can see what he got to say.
So just tell him it's water under the bridge, because he doesn't. He knows who the Wolfpack is. But just tell him that whatever we can. If he does come on here, it won't be a lamb base of questions. We can actually, if he wants to know what questions will be asked, we can put questions together for him. Because I understand why he doesn't like coming on some of these channels, because it's just like it's like a feast of fucking.
I gotta feel the environment out over there, guy. I don't know what it's going to be like.
I know. I'm just saying, like, it is what it is.
It's not going to be on YouTube. He'll probably be streaming it on YouTube. Maybe he won't. I don't know, but it'll be in his Discord. It's going to be interesting. So I'll probably swing over there and see what's up.
Yeah, go take a look, man, and see how that pixel.
You guys have a good day. I'm out of here. I got stuff I got to do.
Okay, but are you going to come back though?
I might be able to. Yeah, hit me up in a message. We'll talk.
Yeah. Just later, come back in like an hour. I'll be on here for 2 hours.
You got it, brother. Bye.
Okay, thanks. What a nice guy, man. What a nice guy. Comes over here anyways to say hi. You gotta love him, man. I really like that guy. It's just that the thing with messaging, it's really hard, right? Especially with we're on 2 different time zones. Well, more than that, 3 different, East Coast and Pacific. Okay, so So this Christy Smith that says good morning. So I'll tell you a little story because you guys love my stories. Well, I forgot to say hi. I'm sorry. So, anyways, when I was a young guy, yes, I was young once upon a time. Okay, before all my hair fell out and I was gray. We used to date each other in high school, right? So we went up about 4 years. Good person, good person. She put up with a lot of crap from me. I was pretty wild when I was younger. I guess she was too, but yeah, we had a good time. Still friends. You've probably seen her stuff sporadically and that. And yeah, so shout her out. I don't know. Christy, are you in? No stories. She knows me too well. So, anyways, what I was going to say is, are you doing any trading, Christy? Have you gotten any stocks? She was going to get me to do some things. I'm just going to put this down to pay here. 6 years? Oh, it was 6 years. Sorry. Yeah, time flies by. But yeah, we were a pretty good team. We were a pretty good team. Here we go. Story time with Lou. I mean, ouch, ouch, that hurt. Tell the truth about Cam. Yeah, she can bust it out. It's all good. Okay, so you guys are just loving this. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys are gonna love this. All good. Put you right up on the screen. No way. So, anyways, here nor there. Thanks for coming in. That I'm not gonna put her on the spot. Definitely. So, what I was gonna say is, we have some guests coming up this week. We've had a couple of people that agreed to come on. I'm trying to think, putting myself back as a young creator, like when I first started young, back into YouTube, about the challenges. Okay. Not that I take any of it for granted, but things have changed. Okay. It's harder in some aspects and sometimes it's not, right? Getting your voice out there. It doesn't matter really sometimes how good of DD you have or technical analysis or even anything, right? It's just getting it out there. It's all about the YouTube algorithm, right? You can sit there and scream all day long, and sometimes it doesn't do anything. Okay, so I'm just talking about myself. Okay, I'm not talking about anything else. So what I've done is I've done a lot of, I wouldn't say soul searching, but I'm trying to help out. I'm trying to do a good deed on YouTube. A lot of people are helping in a lot of ways. I'm totally spun the thing a complete 360. So what I'm going to do is there's I don't like the word smaller channels. That's not the correct way to say it. There's people out there, put it this way, that are really, really smart, and they have a good voice and they have good aspects and good material. Okay, they deserve a chance to be heard, and we're going to give it to that. We're going to give it to them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of these younger, because they are young, quite a bit younger, this younger generation to tell us what they think about this play. Okay, about AMC, about the stock market. So what we're going to do is, yeah, that's one thing we're going to do. There's a couple of I'm not the AB in investments is one. Okay, he's one of my favorite. I've asked him a couple times. I just didn't want to bug him, so I've kind of asked him, and I don't know at first if he thought I was joking, but yeah, he was. I was listening to the other night, and wow, it's true. You can just hear it in his voice and how he speaks. Like it's awesome. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. I want his voice heard. Okay. So we're going to give him that opportunity. Not that there's anything wrong with his channel, right? But it just helps when you collab. Okay. Together. Okay. So we're going to do that. I know he has some things he wants to talk about. I'm going to talk to him later on today and discuss some things that he wants to talk about. I'm going to give him the floor. He can discuss whatever he wants, whatever he thinks. Everybody's different. Whatever he thinks that we should address, what his take on things are. I'm going to take it from a different, younger generation instead of us old farts. Okay, so and I'm speaking for myself. So yeah, I think this will be really good. I'm going to be bringing a handful of younger creators on here, and this is our future, my friends. There's the younger creators. So let's hear them speak. Then the end of not this week, but next week, I'm just going through some of the stuff because I've been working on a lot of stuff behind the scenes. I'm trying to, our moderators on these channels, they do a lot of work. Okay. And a lot of it is self-gratification that they get. They're like, that's all they do it for, right? It's not like they get paid, right? I'm pretty sure that they don't. Mine don't. So, and they're very dedicated. Like they've totally stepped it up. Like, and I even asked them to in the last couple of weeks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a moderator week. Okay. I know it sounds kind of weird, but I'm doing it. A little bit different. I shouldn't say weird. Weird's not the way to do it. So we're going to get Pam. I did get a hold of Liz. I haven't heard anything back. She did write me an email, but it wasn't, I think she said a generic Twitter out. I think it went to everybody. So I don't think she's really seen it yet. So we're going to do that. I'm going to bring a couple of my mods on, whoever wants to. This is a no pressure game. Some of these mods do have YouTube channels. So we'll go have a look at their channels live on this restream thing. Have a look at it. Get their stuff out there. Okay. So we're just putting a different take on things. And I've been thinking about this for a while. What do you guys think? I'll let you throw me a thumbs up or whatever. Just throw me some comments here. It's kind of a little bit off topic, but I think we do need to just hear some different takes on it instead of us old geezers here talking about this stuff. Yeah, because these younger people are what's going to happen in the next bit when we're gone or when we get older, right? They still got that jam. I'm starting to burn out of it. Why on your screen that says, oh, because I carried it over there. It's new software. It's because it's called Restream, Christy. I know you don't know about this stuff. It's new software that we have. Yeah. So what I'll do is pick a comment here. I'm going to pick Pantheon's one on here. Where is my brother? Where's my brother? So, just give me a second here, my friends. Oh, wow. I'm falling behind here. Don't mind my voice this morning. I've been, my throat hurts from vaping too much. I'm going to be quitting. Okay. Anyways, are you guys bugging me? Cam Lou? What the hell is this? Hello, Warren. Okay, here. This is what it is, Christy. It's called, you can put it up on the screen here. So we'll see what the comments come from everybody. So here we go. Hell yeah, AB is awesome. Yeah, he's good. He's good. He's better than me in some aspects. I've been listening to the young man go, like, wow. And very, how would you, he stands behind it. You can hear in his voice to what he says. Like there's no, you know what I mean? He's very like, this is it. And yeah. And I like his stories, like holy crow. And he's just, it's like a young Pantheon here with his comments. It just had, oh man, it had me laughing. It put a big smile on my face. And that's what I was drawn to. Where's all the market talk? Oh, Christy's blasting me here. We get into this. I'm just discussing what our next week is because we switched the channel. My ex is just grinding me here. So anyways, so yeah, we'll get a couple of mods on here. We want to get their take from the moderating side of it. And yeah, we'll go from there. So anyways, let's see if there's any questions here. We'll go through some questions at all. Good morning, good morning, Wolfpack. There's a lot of you in here this morning early. It's gone now. Yes, totally. Young people. Yep. That's the way I'm looking at it too, my friend. I don't think anybody's ever done that before, but it's not that I'm trying to find new content like that. It's just that I think it's time for this, right? So there's a lot of questioning about asking. Oops, I'm on KC's channel. Oops, I'll go off of that. Asking what is this level going to go to? What prices are we looking at for AMC and GME? Okay, well, I'll pull up a chart and we'll have a look here this morning. Okay, so the only way I'll do it is look at a chart and go through it. I'm not going to put a figure on exactly on YouTube. You've heard it on the server. What I think between the server and this is totally different. When I'm talking stuff, I don't like how YouTube, the rules of YouTube are, and how people can twist shit and stuff like that. And I haven't swore yet. Hey, Ma's wearing off of me. So, anyways, this is we're on AMC right now. So we're gonna go into AMC. We have this. We've been having this basic level underneath the VWAP just a bit. That has been happening since I've been watching this since early this morning. Damn, I gotta quit vaping. I was up all night, and it's such soothing and learning stuff as you're working. Pantheon Radio, yeah. I don't know. It just puts me in this Zen work mode, and it just flies by. I was looking down like, holy crow, he went off the air. I don't know what happened. I must have hit the bump back button because he was off for like an hour and a half, and I was still listening to his content. I don't know what happened. I must have hit the button, and then all of a sudden I heard something. Him mention there's Cameron twice. So I was like, oh, what did I do? So yeah, this VWAP we tapped the VWAP right now. And we'll see what happens. I'm actually going to put a trend line up here on the 5 minute. Just give me a second here. I'm going to start putting these trend lines in because we could possibly, and I'm very strong in this, that we're going to have a pull down. Okay. We've lost a lot of volume in AMC. Okay. So when we lose volume, we have a negative pull in the market. Okay. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all. Okay. Like I said before, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know how I am. Excuse me. The lower we go, the safer we are. Okay. And that's the truth. Okay. That's the truth. These institutions won't cover at these low levels, especially if it goes any lower. The amount of money that they have invested is insane. Okay. There's so many things tied. Okay, Vanguard and BlackRock. I just want to be very clear on this, and then I'll get into this because it's part of AMC. The reason why I know this, and a lot of other creators, I've talked to a lot of them, ones that are very educated on this play, is that BlackRock and Vanguard are a group, right? Obviously, but underneath there's a whole bunch of different levels of these where they bought shares and stuff at different levels that are tied into other companies, okay, and other deals and plays and stuff like that, okay. They won't just sell these big chunks. They have to sell in I guess lots that are tied into these businesses that they have underneath, okay. They have board meetings and stuff like that to discuss this stuff. So that's how it goes, okay. So I just want you all to know that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to set a level right here. Where's the main one? I'm just going to have a look here. This one right there. This is the one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay, so I always have, it didn't do it. It didn't mess up. Okay, so I just did that before the candle. I just wanted to see what the average touch points were on this. This is just a guide. Okay, I'm just using this as a guide. I do have my other guides here. See that? Those are old. These are old. These are from like when I first bought back in the day. Okay. Back in the day. I sound like I'm old over that. But these are when I purchased the $14 level, the $8 level, these are the lines for the first go. Everybody. Okay. These are monumental lines. Okay. These lines don't change. Okay. Resistance and support lines, they will stay the same. Okay. I've noticed that with AMC. Okay. We noticed it before. Like, look at this. Okay, look at the 1350.57. Okay. I just want to show you guys, this is education time here. A lot of people don't have this stuff to show you. Okay. I want to show you how this thing runs the same every time. Okay. Which that's good because I've compiled some data on this, and not that I predict, I'll pull it up here on the screen to show you guys. Okay. So I'm going to take this chat bar off here. Yeah. Sorry, Sanjay. Okay. So here's the trend lines. 13. I didn't want to show that one screen just because I had some personal information on it, but I'm to the point right now. Okay, I'm on the day a pullback. Okay, this is when it went before it had that big run up. This is the level that it bled. Remember I told you we had all those red days? This is just right after. Okay, right after the 72. Remember I told you it was just painful. Okay, and we had these red days. It was just stressful. So that's why a lot of us are used to this. It's a weird thing to get used to, but we're used to this, and these lines don't change. Okay, the 1357 was a monumental line. Okay, between the 57 to the about 73. Okay, this line was tapped on twice, the way I call it. Okay, on the down pull like this, it's a support. Okay, it was a resistance on the way up on the backside of the 72. Okay, and same at the 19. These are hard levels to punch. Okay, we're back at that 19 again. Okay, if it drops below that, there's another level in between here that I know I don't have. I can just put it in there because I can just look at it. So I just wanted to wrap this up. Hi, Froggy. How's it going, brother? I was being bad and brought. Ha! So what's going on, bro? Good for you. Good for you, bro. I'm still getting used to this restream here, my friends. So I will put this on day when we open here. I just wanted to show you guys this, and ladies. The TV behind cam makes. Ha! What's going on? Does it screw you guys up? Yeah, it does. It does, Pantheon. It does. I had it shut off there for a while, but everybody's like, put it back on, put it back on. It's just I got to put it on a loop because I don't want to get a copy infringement strike, right, from another creator. So anyways, we're going to go back to the 1 minute here. I do want to jump into the heat map. We got 45 seconds here. Okay, this one I'm watching here. Oh, yes. Okay, there's a member of our channel right here on this one. I just want to have a look at this. He's gonna swing trade the crap out of this morning. I've already been talking to him live. So get ready, buddy. Get ready on this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna mark it open in 10 seconds. Okay, we are on AMC. Okay, let's get ready here. I could possibly see a negative pull on this right away after. You have to remember these apps, these zero commission apps. You really can't tell what's going to happen for like 15 seconds and beyond. Like usually, there you go. Okay. This could go back up. Like this is just, this is normal. Okay. You have to remember this 1964 is a huge line. Okay. So right now it would be, it went below it. I can't see it hold. How many times did it touch that, hit that? It doesn't, I'm not worried about after hours. Just give me a second. Oh, come on. Heat that. Just give me a second, my friends. Yeah. Okay, see it's touching. One. It couldn't hold that. It went back under, went under, just tapped that. So I'm talking about. Look, took a lot of volume to hit that. Okay, so back a look on this. So we could definitely see this doing a slide today. Okay. So if we break over 3 or 4 candlesticks, we're going to be stuck under there for a bit. Okay. So this GME's doing the same thing. I'm just going to bump it past here. I will answer some questions in a bit, my friends, because I really just want to watch this for a second. Same thing. Yeah. Here we go. I already came on the server live this morning and gave you guys heads up on this. Okay. This can actually change within about 10 minutes. It can change. Okay. But if it doesn't change in 10 minutes, and then after that, like in about an hour, we're stuck in those areas. Okay. I'm telling you right now. Yeah. Kind of went off on my own this morning and kind of was looking at the charts. Yeah, there we go. So I was asked quite a few times yesterday privately, should I buy? And you guys know how I am about that stuff, but I'll throw out, hey, if it was me, I wouldn't. You know what I mean? There's a reason why I didn't purchase yesterday. Okay. I knew this was going to happen. Okay. Wow, that's quite a bit. What are we on here? Why I have to hit reset here. Something's going on with my screen. There we go. That's better. Okay. I'm going to look at Doug's stock here. He told me to look at it. Yeah, one of our members, Doug. You guys know Doug. Stock was that A. Told him to remind me Froggy Style is really new. I bring this stuff up because I can't really see it. Doug, are you on there again? You want to throw up your DXY? There we go. There you go. Thanks, Doug. So. If it was me, I'd just wait a bit. If it was me, I'd wait. Where are we at right now? 60, 70, 80, 20 cents on $2,000. I'd pull my position. If it was me, I'd pull my position right now. Yeah, I'd pull my position. Like right now. Yeah, I'd take that 4% increase. Even if it goes up more, I just would, right? Could do a reversal here. But I'd take that money, okay? It's going to go back up, but it's going to mess around here, right? But that's pretty good gains. Like you can always, it's going to go down in the next day or two, right? So, see, I'm different. So yeah, Doug, if you're watching this, that's just what I would do. You know that you do what you do. I'm okay with that area though. You have to make this final decision for yourself. I can't tell you what to do. This possibly could go up to like 7-8%. That's where you have to make that decision. You know what your entry is in, right? Probably, most likely tomorrow, this thing's going to slide. Okay. We've seen these stocks do it before. What is it at? Yeah, do the high. Okay. $12. Oops, back. I just got to see something here. Okay. Small float. Okay. I just wanted to have a look at that. Oops. Go back to the chart. So yeah. Really don't like to pull that early before it does its thing here. But I don't know. I'm happy with what I'd be happy with that. That's like a 20, 30 cent gain in the market nowadays. That's not bad on a penny stock if you got lots of money in it, right? AMC. Okay, my friends, I'll get back on here. I'm gonna answer some questions now. I just wanted to look at that for our friend here. Okay, so I will pull this stuff off of here. Okay. Okay, a little DD. Okay, Stockwiz, how you doing, brother? Whoops. Little D might cover at a low numbers. Yeah, I discussed that. Cam, yes, I can. Citizen, yes, I can cover that for sure. Just give me 1 second here. Yes. Okay. Wow, GME. I don't know what's with this stock screener here. It's messing me up here. Just give me a second, T. I just want to check a couple things out here. I just want to go through. Yeah, same thing. Oh, there it is. It's locked back again. So we're getting that mirroring again, my friends. Not the price, okay? Not even the percentage. But look at this. Look at that. Look at the algorithms. Okay, there's a lot of information going about algorithms that out there. That some of it I agree, but about 10%, there's a lot of misinformation about what algorithms actually are. I might have to do a video. So there you go, my friend. It's down. It almost dropped half. Okay, on that. There you guys go. So yeah, I might have to make a video on this. As you guys know, I know a lot about it. I might bring that trading Cam. Look at this. I don't have those charts like you, bro. I need to get set up, dude. I need you to set me up with some of your stuff. Can you send me that link to that software that you had the other day, bro? Like I'm set up totally different. I'm set up for like stock squeezes and like short interest of float. My charts are totally set up different than your guys's, right? But I would like to have both. Okay, so we're going to go over in the heat map. Okay, we're going to look, just hang on a second. I want to get T looked after, and then I'm going to go and look at some stuff here. HY, I knew you guys were going to ask that. I said it the other day that this thing's, it's totally, this is all computers crap, okay? I don't trust this stock as far as I can throw it right now. Yeah, this has been happening for a couple days. I got some new information on this. I'm not in on this. Okay. Like I said before, it's tied in with the AMC. Yes, we do own parts of this, right? It is what it is. Pantheon covered a lot of that stuff and a beautiful job on it. I'm not going to get into the DD at all on it unless it's to do with core samples. Okay. I still want to talk to Buddy there and look into those core samples and find out what that stuff is. If we can get a hold of that stuff. Look up the short interest on that. Okay, I will, Froggy. Just give me a minute. Okay, so T, I'm going to go back up to you. I'm falling behind here. This is what happens first thing in the morning. You're up 10. Good for you, Doug. Good for you, man. There's nothing wrong with that. Good. Good, buddy. Give me a second here. T, do you want to put your symbol? T's been on here for a while. And I just like to get these questions answered, or else you get all messed up here. No messing with me with bunk ticker symbols this morning, guys. Come on. Okay, thanks, T. Oh, never seen that one before. Okay, 16% pharmaceutical. It's pretty good. So we do pull back here. So that's okay. It was retail push on it, and then it carried up after hours. Institutional. Just I'm going to do it 1 hour. Wow, it's been stagnant, just consolidating for the longest time too, eh? 1 minute here. I could. What the hell? What is this, anyways? I can see this going down for some reason. I don't know why. 54. It's overturned 54%. Okay, so there's a lot of discrepancy about this percent overturned. That is the percent of volume bought and sold. Okay, I just want you guys to know that. Okay, this is why I watched the overturn, the cap and stuff. Notice how it says 5303. Okay, watch when. Okay, 53013. Back it goes, fluctuates back and forth, back and forth. That's bought, sold, bought, sold. It knows how it's even. Okay, some people are selling, people are buying. It's pretty much the same thing until that flips over. Okay, I just want it to be, that's something I really watch. This percent overturned it can be very misleading if you don't understand it. Okay, that's just how much is bought and sold. Okay, the volume in total though. Okay. Are you in on this, T, at all? Doug, way to go on A. Yeah, you did you pull the pin, bro? Huh. You made some, see what I mean? She slid on you. There you go. There you go. It's back to, it's almost down to nothing on the game. Okay. So there you go. You did good, bro, on that. Okay. That's just what I would do. I don't tell you how to trade and stuff, but it is what it is. I'm glad you made some good money on that today, buddy. Okay. Mr. L is consolidating. Yeah, Mr. L is consolidating. Okay. So, Warren, I'm going to work my way up here. And then Mr. L, you're next. I got to work my way up. There's a system on this thing I have to do, or else I'll be all over the place here. I think Pantheon knows how fast these questions can back up on you. Eh? I don't like this system, really. I can't see. That's what the problem is. We messed up Cam. Oh yeah, tell him all about. He doesn't trust to look at ticker symbol. Oh yeah, you might as well tell him. Oh, I'll tell him. So, anyways, these wolves here started throwing these ticker symbols out there that don't mean anything. Like what you were laughing about last night, the abbreviations, what they mean. They were throwing it up, and I haven't had my coffee yet. So I'm looking this stuff up. Delisted doesn't mean anything, right? Like FTW, F the world, stuff like that. And I'm looking this up and messing with me. This better be a good one, man. I'm leery because some of these, I don't know some of these these other ticker symbols here. So yeah, they're behaving with me. There's a bio stock. Holy crow, down 20. This is on the loser list, obviously. Wow, look at this. Look at this overturn. This is, oh, freak, look how small this float is. Holy crow. Look how much bought and sold this thing has done. 3,400% and climbing. Bought and sold. It's been rinsed a couple times. It's been tacked out. So yeah, that's pretty scary. This thing could keep on going, right? So let's have a look at the profile on this. Thank you, Mr. Al. Thank you. Thanks, Warren. You caught me off guard on that one, actually. Pharmaceutical. So yeah, these pharmaceutical ones you got to watch out for. Okay, they only rip for a day or two and then they crush. They're targets. Okay, I do want to do a pullback on this because I want to show you. I can show you. There you go. Okay. Anything that goes up, see how market closed? It went up. This was planned. Okay, 100%. This was planned. Okay, it went up and then it just cranked down. This is going to keep on dropping for sure. And it probably won't kick breakers because it's going so slow, right? Wow, that's scary, my friends. I hope you didn't get on this stuff. But yeah, watch these. I'm trying to teach you all something. Retail out here, institutions. If you see this push in institutions, 90% of the time, stay the hell away from it, okay? Especially if you see a pattern. Let's see this here. There's another one right there. Stay, if you see, like, look at this. How can this stock, if there's no news on it, like it doesn't, it's just common sense, okay? At least I see it anyways, but that's why I'm bringing this up for you, my friends. Okay, look at this. Look at this. These pushes, okay? After hours. There's another one, okay? That's a bad one. And then it just collapses. There's a double-edged sword right there. That's that double-edged sword, my friends, right there. I know that's after hours. It doesn't affect us really, but you gotta look at this stuff. That's why I do the pullbacks on the 30, okay? So I'm just gonna look. Wow, damn. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you. It's showing a pattern, okay? So yeah, look at that. That's bad. Like, there's poor people back in here that have got in these positions. They just want to close their positions, right? And they should have closed in here, but most likely most of them probably weren't paying attention. It's pretty close to market close, and you're stuck now. Like, it sucks, man. Like, I'm in a couple of these myself. Okay, so enough gathering about that. Jeff, we're gonna bring you on live here. I'm gonna cover a couple more stocks here. Okay. Damn, it has a. Types of cancer. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Pantheon. So shorts aren't able to hammer it into the ground. Okay. SMB. Okay. No options. So I'm not. No options. So no shenanigans. Was this last night? Last night it went up and did a rip. Yes, market close just before it did this push up, and then it's just collapsing hard, like bad, like it's taken some people with it. It's down 24%. That's going to be hard to recover off that. I do want to look at the news. Jeffrey, I'm going to bring you in here. If you don't want to hit that stream link that I sent you, and I'll see it pop up here, my friend. And if not, I can send you another one. Okay, bro? And I'll bring you up into the studio here. Okay, bud? Seven minutes ago. Just want to check this. I love this live news on here. Stock is increased retail investor interest for the week. Also, the company has Tuesday announced that two of its Pantheon. Not that I was doubting you, man, but yeah, man, you're just awesome. Effective at destroying cancer cells grown in a culture, like in a petri dish, like in an environment where they grow it, right? Good. You got to love this cancer stuff, my friends. It just says that that's what they do. Okay, pharma plans to offer on a resale base of an average of 7,200,000 and some shares for a common stock. Okay. I would still, even though this has good news, I would be very careful on this. Okay. I would. Because that COVID pill, that Antarna Zaraz, I made a killing on it, but now it's like they're in a friggin' lawsuit. What's up with the TV behind me? Christy's not with. It's distracting. Oh, is it, Christy? Oh, man. You're funny. You haven't changed over the years. It's distracting because I don't know why. Because everybody wants it there. I don't know. I usually watch it for watching my news, actually. Not when I'm live if I'm doing trading. That's why it's there. So I can watch the news and stuff. I was going to watch news, but every time I put it on here, I've already got 2 warnings from YouTube for copy infringement. I didn't get nailed, but I got a warning, and they took down my video. So I can't do that because of a stupid freaking commercial that popped up there. Make sure Jeffrey is read. Yeah, one second. Not a problem, bro. Not a problem. Okay, I'm going to go up and answer some more stuff here. Thank you, Pantheon, for hanging out with us. And I did send you a message on WebEx. If you've already looked at it, there's something that I asked you, and that's up to you, bro. There we go, brother. How you doing?
Good. What's going on?
Same old. Thank you for joining us today. I really appreciate that. It's wow, man. Since I met you, I'm just I see you all over the place. It's awesome. You're following us all around. You're a lot like Pantheon. Like you've just you got this knack. You guys have got this knack for obtaining this knowledge, and yeah, man. I love having you on the streams and stuff because sometimes I can't look up stuff, and you're just on it, right? It's pretty good. So yeah, are you on any any trades today, just besides AMC, or are you just hanging out?
Um, well, I still have a position in SST and ATER.
Okay. Yeah.
They're kind of consolidating right now, but they pumped overnight, so
Okay.
I'm up on them.
Okay. Good, brother. Hey, there's nothing wrong with and you know it obviously what you're doing, but I just want to be very clear, my friends. You got to know what you're doing on this stuff. There's a lot of videos coming out about this options playing, and just they make it look easy. Okay. And I just wanted to say it's not, okay, or else I would be in it like just deep. Okay. I'm telling you right now, if there's money there, I can smell it. Okay. I'd be all over it. I just know that it's easy to get stung. Oh, this is the one that Froggy was talking about, SST.
Yeah, we looked
This
at it
is it.
last night,
Okay.
and it's got a short interest rate of, like, I think it was 443%.
Wow. So
Yeah,
look at
so
that.
it's
Ooh, okay.
I
Yeah, I'm
mean,
gonna.
I got it on my short squeeze, like, indicators. But
Yeah. Oh,
high
it's on the
probability.
list.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm gonna pull it up on their squeeze chart here. I'm curious. Not that I'm doubting. I'm just. It's I do want to look it up. Um, what's going on here? I got too much software. Just give me a second, my friends. What is going on here? Oh, I'm screen sharing. That's duh. I'm not used to all this software running here. So I'm just going to look this up because there's a couple other things I wanted to look at. HYMC too. So because there's some conflicting information here, and I just got the information updated last night. I just got the new. Oh wow, it is up 118% compared to the 20 or till from the 6th in 2 days. That's huge. That's huge.
yeah,
The volume up is up. The SST is up 35.39% compared to the 27th. That's friggin' insane. Um, wow, man.
yeah. It's going right now.
That's
It's
weird.
already up 20. It's already up 21% just this morning.
Wow. I don't have it on my list. That's weird. That's weird because these are like fucking, oh, pardon my language, these are hedge funds, doc. That's weird that it's been vetted out. It's been erased. That is
Yeah,
really weird. I've only seen this once or twice before. They've removed it from the software. They don't
and
want people to know about this.
it's a SPAC play, which is really odd. I mean, they do have a lot of SPACs like DWAC that they pump way up and then they just fall right back down when they don't hit their mother company.
Yeah.
But
So,
these guys, they're System One, but they were acquired by Trivia
okay.
Acquisition Corp. So
Okay.
um, that's why it was put on as a short squeeze candidate.
Wow. Guess who number one is shareholders for this company? They own 5.14%. Take a guess, Jeffrey. Take a guess, bro.
I'm gonna say Citadel.
You freaking nailed it, dude. And I haven't seen Citadel's name on documents in a long time. Um,
Right.
they've lost a lot of steam. They're over leveraged. I know that. Um,
Yeah.
they got stung pretty good in Evergrande. They were number 2 on the Evergrande list out of everybody. Like, you know how hard that's going to hurt. Like,
Oh, yeah.
wow, which is good, right? But look at this baby climb, and this is like a nice steady. This is a nice steady ladder up here going. I do want to. I'm
Yeah,
not
it's
getting
jumping.
anything. Yeah, this it's weird. There's a lot of missing information on this. Totally on this on the stock. They're like all the good information's missing. I've never seen this before. This has been removed. Definitely been removed. They don't want you to know this.
Yeah,
Weird.
I got in yesterday morning at about
Yep.
22.
Wow. Good at 22. Oh,
Yeah.
dude, you're doing really good, man. You're schmoking her. Bango schwango.
Yeah. I should have got in on some options, but I didn't. I just got in on some stocks. But
Wow. You're good at options, eh? I've heard you talking about it lots on the server and that.
I wouldn't say that I'm good at options. I've been doing it for about probably 7, 8 months now.
Okay.
Um, like I was talking on Pantheon stream yesterday
Yeah.
about Keenan Grace. I'm in his Discord,
Yeah,
and
he's
he has
amazing.
an options class and
Yeah.
things like that. That
Smart fella. Smart
basically,
fella.
he's taught me, a lot of the stuff that I know, and just, I mean, doing research. I mean, kind of like Mediocre. I kind of have my degree from the school of
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. Hey man, there's nothing wrong with that, right? Even
Yeah,
if you get a degree like from one of these paid for um, courses that you get paid for, and they're not even broker like trained people, you could be getting taught outdated information or information is non-applicable. Depends on where you're getting taught. Okay. It's not always 100% accurate. Some of this stuff is just your take on it, right? It can be taken two different ways if you use this indicator on this time frame, or like there's no set in stone on some of this stuff, right? That's Mediocre told me that. Like he said, that's up to you sometimes what you set it at, and you just kind of feel the happy medium on it. Look at this on the TTM squeeze 20 here. We're getting this is AMC, my friends. I said this morning on the server, and I'm not going to watch very clear. I'm not going to get into it, guys and ladies on here. If you start asking me questions, I'm going to skirt over it because this is server talk. This is not talk on open YouTube. But these levels here, I just want to say we're getting safer and safer. These grounds, like I said, tomorrow, and it's going to go down a little bit lower. I'm not going to put a price on it. I do know roughly. It's just that I just want to say one thing. This is not bad, okay, at all. You can look at it either way. But this, like I said before, there's a lot of people in this world that are less fortunate than us, okay, that they would love to get in on this to just add to their positions if they might only have a couple shares. There's a lot of people not doing good right now because of all the crap we've gone through with COVID and just life in general. Right. So this is just letting people to get into this. There's nothing wrong with that. So that's just the way I look at things. I kind of look at things a little bit different now that I'm older. We will have our day. It doesn't matter what level it's at. When it goes, it's going to go. Okay. There won't be any stopping it. It'll just go.
Yeah. I was looking at my charts and for AMC. I mean, not to sound bearish or anything, but I mean, I've been looking at there's a strong resistance on the daily 1461. I think I told you guys yesterday when you were on with Mediocre, and he said there's a lot of, stops before then, and there is, but for some reason that just seems like that's where it's trying to head.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah. Froggy's saying that right now. AMC dip before the rip. Yeah, we're gonna have a pretty good dip here, my friends. Like I said, that I try to get that out there so you're not caught off guard, and y'all should be. The OGs should be used to this. Like this doesn't even really register. I'm like, oh well, it is what it is, right? I was gonna buy some shares. Was it yesterday? Yeah, for the last 2 days, and I just seen it. Thanks, mods. I already had him on once before. He's doing some stuff on his Discord right now. He's gonna come back. I don't see him in the studio waiting, but thanks, mods. They're just on my server right now messaging. I really appreciate that. So yeah, I was going to buy some shares, like I said, add to my position, right? But something told me not to, and then I just had this weird feeling. And then this morning, when I was about, what time was it when I was on the server talking? When you were on there too, it was what?
I don't even remember. It was late.
4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or something. Yeah, and I just seen these signs right here that I just didn't like. Right, so it is what it is. A lot of it is just intuition. Yeah. So, anyways, I don't like to. You're just winging it. I'm just winging it. I like that word, just winging it. Yeah, a little bit. I don't use indicators on this for sure. I could tell by the volume that we had lack of volume. And go ahead, Jeff.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm getting some. I do remodeling for my real work, and so I was just getting an email from one of my customers.
Yeah, not a problem. Just because you're on the other line or something. Just your phone sideways the picture, but it's probably because you're on the. You can go ahead. I can jump on something, but you can. if you need to answer something, go ahead, man.
Oh, no. Like I said, I was just getting an email, so I can pull up other apps while I'm live streaming. So you just might see my finger going through like this.
Yeah, it's all good, buddy. It's all good. I'm easygoing like that. Cam looks like this.
No, this AMC, it kind of looks like it's finding a little bit of a support right here.
Yeah. I'll show you these. Here's these are the main lines from back in like the beginning of this squeeze. Okay, so this is it. Remember I said this morning. These lines right here, if it goes below here and it locks over 3-4 candles and keeps on going down, we're going to be hitting the 17 then after that, for sure. So I can't see it holding today. What is that actually?
Well, you see that that green candle right there, kind of in the middle of that it looks like a double top over here.
Sorry.
To the left. Oh, yeah, here? Keep going right there. At the bottom of that one, I think is around like 1460 or something like that. Go down.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So that's where I'm looking at. Okay. But I could be wrong.
No, I know what you're saying. There's another one right. That is it. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points. Because I remember that when we were in this area, it only moved like not even $1, and then it would have problems trying to. There's a really tight area.
Exactly.
Here. Yeah. So I just wanted to share that with you guys on that. So that was the 14. I just wish that these lines showed up on the other charts, like on the 1 minute, but they don't. They don't carry over. So we're watching.
What are you using?
I'm using Webull because of the algorithms. That's the only reason why I can't buy them in Canada, but I do not support this at all. It's just that it's the only one that I can use for what I do. Right. I just like in a squeeze, this is the perfect thing for a squeeze, is the way that the vibrations, it shows every vibration. I can, like with halting and stuff like that, I can literally see it. Like, I don't know. I've been just doing this for a while, so I can like see the vibrations, like the movements. I've used other apps and it just doesn't show that. It'll show this, but it doesn't show the levitating, right? So I haven't seen any stock screener, but I do recommend to everybody, Jeff, that if they are with Webull or Robinhood or any of those ones, that if it was me speaking from my financial advice, I would sell those first. I would get rid of them and then hold your main brokers. Okay.
Yeah. So I have about five accounts, because back when we first got in, everybody had a, sign up here and get 5 free stocks or whatever.
Yep. For sure, man. What was that one? Oh, here it is down 2. I'm just looking at these other ones today. Oh man, Doug, you became pretty good friends with, I've noticed on the server talking with Doug, eh? Pretty cool dude, eh? Jeff? Doug, was that you? Oh yeah, Doug, I don't know, Mellow Doug or whatever. Good for him. It's down 2%. Yeah, you would have lost a lot. Did you want me to cover anything here, brother, that while I'm on here at all? Do you want to talk about anything? I'm going to give the floor to you. Did you want to cover any topics or shout anybody out, your family or anything like that, dude? I usually do that when I have people on. Is there anything that you want to talk about? Oh, I think you got a data problem, man. Yeah, you're frozen. Yeah, you got no signal, my friend. Network. Yeah, you got 0 connection. Oh, here you go. You got a full signal again. I think you had a lag.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize, man. It happens. Did you hear what I said at all? Do you want to shout anybody out, or do you want to talk about any ticker symbols or anything about AMC or GME that you want to get out there?
No, like I said, and I just thought it was cool to come on, and it's kind of hard to have a conversation with somebody through a chat.
It is, buddy.
Like you're saying, with these stocks, AMC and GME, I don't even really stress about it anymore. You know, I used to be like, man, is it going down? But now it's just like, well, okay, it's going down today. So I turn it off and I go to work. And then, you know, I mean, I just have everybody on my Bluetooth and listening to them. And sometimes I'll put my phone on the you know, wherever I'm working and kind of glance over once in a while. But yeah, I mean, it's truly a battle of attrition, like Jackson Hunter says. You know, we've already won, but we're just waiting for our prizes.
That's right. That's right. And it's pulling out a lot of emotions for sure. I'm kind of like, what would it say? I'm dead to it. Like just dead.
Yeah,
You probably is that what you're feeling too? I'm like I've been
yeah. Like I don't get emotional over it anymore. And you know, I know they say you know you're not supposed to trade with your emotions, but you know, like I said, I've only been in stocks for just a little over a year, and I mean, honestly, when I first got into AMC, it was in December of 2020, and I didn't even know about the whole you know ape community and all of that. Um, I got in at like I think it was like $1.19. That's when I bought my first
dollar. That was before
share.
the community. That was just as it started. That was
Yeah, that well, it was in December of
yeah,
2020.
it was in Reddit, but it really didn't blow up into the public yet. It was just manifesting. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, brother. That was when Wall Street bets and all that stuff was with GME, and then it just carried
Yeah,
over,
the
and then
GME was the big play back then.
it was, and then a lot of people were mad because people were buying AMC that it was going to stop the squeeze on GME, and oh yeah, man, that was
Yeah,
a stressful time, bro. Back then, we didn't know which way to go. There was no people putting out. That was the very first start of DD. There was nothing. I remember that we had the New York Stock Exchange used to put a squeeze list out. We can't get that any. Well, I can get it
yeah,
in different ways, but remember that list that would just go around to everybody. It'd say
yeah,
which
yeah,
ones are
yeah.
they banned that right away. They stopped producing that because yeah, it didn't work in their favor. I was going to cover a stock here. Sorry about this, Wolfpack. I had a glitch on my chat here. That's what I was just waiting for. I think it was my software when Jeffrey had that issue. It was me that froze. So I've lost some comments here, my friends. So I know that you wanted me to look up all this stock right here. I'm just gonna bounce around, Jeffy. If you want to talk about, I'm just gonna look up whatever you want to talk about. I'm just looking at.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, I was talking with my friend. He actually has a YouTube channel. He just does like kind of sitting around talking about the day he comes on, maybe once, 2 or 3 times a week, maybe somewhere. His name is Scott Luca. I don't know if you guys have heard of him
Oh,
or whatever, but if you haven't, go check out his channel. He doesn't do a whole lot of DD or TA or anything like that, but um, he just kind of me and him have became pretty good friends just over the year, just from me watching his little I guess dinner table chit chats.
yeah,
You know, he sits in his little coffee shop and just talks about, you know, I mean, obviously there's certain YouTubers that, you know, just over the year we've noticed that, I mean, they just push out FUD, and some of them are just regurgitators. You know,
hmm
they see a Reddit or whatever. I mean, there's actually some that that's all they do is just read Reddits, you know? And so it's like, I'm
yeah.
sorry, I could do that on my own, you know?
That's correct, buddy. That's
Why do
correct.
I want to do that, you know?
Yeah,
But
yeah,
like I said last time I was on live with you is one thing you know, if anything that I could stress to the community is we can't base our trading opinions or what we're gonna do on YouTubers. You know, and I know a lot of people's sentiment on that is that you know, well, we come to YouTube so we can get our information. Well, that's fine, but you've also got to do your own. You know, I mean, you know, look up articles, read up on the company, all of that, because like I said before, at the end of the day, it's our own money. I mean, it's not Cam's money, it's not Mediocre's money, it's not, you put your name there, which YouTuber you watch, it's not their money, it's your money, or it's our
That's
money.
right.
So at the end of the day, we've got to make sure that we do our own DD. And one thing that I really irks me is when I start coming into these chats and I see people like bad mouthing, you know, the guy that's on screen because he said, "Well, I think it's going to go here," and it totally went the opposite direction. But I mean, everybody on YouTube, somewhere in their comments say, "I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence." So, I
Yeah.
mean, that's kind of how I feel.
Hey, buddy, your opinion means a lot to me. You're a well respected person on my channel. I do respect definitely your take on things, like I do with all the Wolfpack members.
Yeah,
You've stepped up over a. Look at this push. That's what I drew that line on there
there you
for.
go. Yeah,
That's what I was looking for. It broke right out of there, my friends. This is ticker symbol ATER. I am watching GME and AMC. But I wanted to have a look at this. A lot of Wolfpack members are in on this. Um,
yeah.
so it smashed right out of there. So we'll see if it lock and loads here. It just did. Okay, so that's wow. It had problems here sustaining it. It just had a pull down here. It tried again, tried again, tried again. This could be it. I don't know. Like I said, I've never. These are my first lines that I've ever done on these. What the hell did I do now? Oh, here we go.
I think the next resistance is like 480 something. Yeah.
You amaze me, man. You have like all these things photographically memorized in your head. Um, wow.
Well, like I said, I mean, at the end of the day, you've got to do your own due diligence because nobody's gonna say, hey, we're not like the hedge funds. We can't go to the government and say, hey, I made a bad call. Can you give me some money? Oh,
Yeah,
so we got to make sure that we keep our own money.
that's right. I got to do my taxes. That's what I was just going through this morning early. I was with my brokers trying to look them all up, and oh man, uh, yeah, I stressed myself out this morning, and I'm probably not the only one with it. It's just I've done a lot of buying, selling, and then I got positions that I'm down on, and
Uh,
like down, but I haven't sold, so I can't use them to help me. And it's almost
right.
tempting just to like take the hit of 5 grand and yeah, just it sucks because I just wish I was an accountant too. You understand? Because I don't know like what I'm stuck in a hard place. I just know one side of it. So it is what it is. Here we go. I'm just going to read some of these comments. Hey guys, do you want to feel more popular? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, where this is. Oh, that's what it is. This was happening to Mediocre. So Wolfpack. Oh, hey Ma. Hi Miss Harris. So mods, if you do get the stuff that comes up from this, this is Twitch. We've launched on Twitch this morning. You're gonna they come with their own bots, and I haven't figured out how to turn the bots off yet. So just go ahead and erase that stuff as it comes up if you can. I can't erase stuff off of here. At least I haven't figured out how. But yeah, just go ahead and take that stuff down if it comes up with this Twitch symbol. We just had our launch this morning. So yeah, I don't even know how it's going to go. I don't really. I'm just trying to get us out there. It doesn't matter if there's 3 people that follow. I just put us everywhere we can go, right? Whatever, except the URL link. Um, so yeah, right on. I know a lot of people are making money on this right now. Here's another one too. They said his earnings call. Look at these stuff. Some of these go. I just want to do a pullback on this because I do want to cover that is institutional right there. That's an institutional run up. Yeah. So that
Yeah,
one
and
I
I've
would
been
watch.
noticing a lot of the pharmaceuticals have been jumping up.
Mm-hmm. They're not bad stocks, my friend, except that what if you do the pullbacks on them and you see that they have, if it's retail push up and it's majority, like this one's at 50-50. So you see a retail push, and it
Yeah,
stays
yeah, yeah.
stagnant. I would have a better look at this. But if it's strictly up, like knife edge in all this after hours and collapsing constantly, it's not worth it. It's not worth it, my friends. Money's too hard to come by nowadays. But yeah,
Yeah.
but yeah, back to what I was going to say. Did I ever do a lot of trading last year? Holy crow! I was looking at it like that's insane. I feel sorry for my accountant. Like that's going to cost me. That's going to cost me big time. Wow, I was active, and you only remember half of what you do. That's the weird thing, eh? So,
Exactly. Yeah.
right. So, anyways, it is what it is. I'm just trying to think. I'm going to go through. Everybody's
Can
being.
you? I got an alert for SST. Can you check that one out?
Yes, I can. That's what Froggy was looking at here this morning. We already brought
Yep,
this.
there it goes.
There it goes. Okay, I'm just gonna. I have it on the 30. Just hang on a second. What do you prefer? What do you use, the 1 or 5, or what do you usually
Um.
use?
Well, normally I do scalps like I do what Mediocre does. I do the 1348
So 5.
strategy, like I sent you in the email. Um.
Yeah.
I do that. So if it's gonna be something that I'm just gonna jump in and jump out, I usually go on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Um. If it's something that's like kind of a slow burner that
Yeah.
kind of goes up at a slow pace, I like the 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour.
Yeah.
And if it's something that's got like good news or something, and you're just waiting for it to jump,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna hold it overnight, I use the 4 hour.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Hey, that's good. I know you're, and I feel very strong in saying this. You definitely know a lot more than I do on a wholly different topic, because I don't know about option trading and that. I'm still learning, and I was to the point where I just didn't want to learn. It was a waste of my time, right? But I'm actually
Right.
I'm actually intrigued on it, like learning it. It's actually neat, but I don't know if I'll go in the market. I don't know, right? That who
Yeah,
knows, right?
it's it's real intimidating, if you don't know what you're doing. Like you open up the options chart, and I mean, you see all these numbers, and I mean, I think that's what kind of traps a lot of retail is they jump in these because they see people making these 100% gains or 200% gains on plays, and they don't really know what they're doing. They just kind of try to follow them. And what I can say for the retail is if you're watching somebody on YouTube, and even if they're live stream day trading, there's a lag. So
Yes.
even if they're saying I'm jumping in this right now, they probably jumped in it, you know, depending on what it is, 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, or whatever.
Yes.
So you have to be careful with that. If you're trying to follow
Mhm.
somebody second by second, you
Yes.
can't do that by watching them on YouTube.
Yeah,
So
you nailed that, bro. You nailed that. That's really smart. I've mentioned that before, and depends on what legacy they have it on, like normal, low, or whatever. But yeah, there's definitely to 10 to up to a 20-second, 30-second lag. Depends on what they have it set for. Depends
exactly.
on the quality, right? There depends what they have for. Do they have fiber? Is their internet getting choked? Do they have a VPN? There's a whole bunch of stuff that slows the ping down like a little bit each time,
Right.
for sure. And that's a thing that I want to be very clear on with the squeeze. If, and it's a high if, YouTube is running, like I said before, there's chances of it going down. Same with these discords. The discord that I'm involved on with Wall Street Breakers has a disclaimer up right now saying that it could black out. They've gotten warnings that I guess from the people that run Discord, that they're just passing it on, that it's a timestamp, I guess, memo from Discord itself, the owners or the
Yeah.
IT department, saying that, hey, he just copied it over and pasted it. So I just want to be very clear, that stuff is not on like time right away either. That there's a lot of contributing factors into that. So, yeah. So with the squeeze, like that can make a huge difference on your price. Within a squeeze, like the things could fluctuate like hundreds to thousands, depends on what algorithm and what is running, like how violent it is. We're gonna have to wait for that to happen. But yeah, trading off of somebody with the YouTube and even watching them on it is probably not the best idea. If you're going to be counting on people and you think that you're going to learn off of people, or you're going to follow somebody's take on it, like on it. So I just wanted to say that we have, and as you know, Jeff, you're part of our Wolfpack group. Our WebEx server is totally is locked out. We use WebEx, the app, to hook everybody up, but then Christopher has broke it away. It's a one-way street. We use them for connection, and then it's broke away, and then it's quarantined. Like Christopher actually has a server, our IT department. So, and it is on real time. When I say real time, it probably has about a half a second to a second delay, which is insane fast.
Right.
As you know, you've been on it, right? So we will be broadcasting that live. But like I said, one of the squeeze tools on the channel is to be using your stock screeners that you bought on, that you're brokers with. You should already have that stuff downloaded. I'm just kind of giving a freebie information out there that is part of our package on YouTube. I've been doing that lately, kind of giving some tidbit information out there here and there with stuff. And I am going to be rebroadcasting that Volkswagen squeeze video. I'm going to be bringing it back out again in a modified version. I'm not gonna mess with the format, but I'm gonna try to blow it up a little bit more and try to make it a little bit more clear, if I can, without damaging the software. That was actually a couple people have asked that. And it's so buried in all my videos. Like we got 400 some odd podcasts now, right? It's crazy how it flies by. But yeah, man, that's good information. Thank you for sharing that with me. I've mentioned it a couple times, but it's nice coming from somebody else that's like a neutral position that actually does trading on that, right? I hope that that you join us in the squeeze. Of course, we want you to do your own stuff, but it's definitely a pleasure having you in the group. We did our test run yesterday on that. And anybody on the server that missed it, it was just a test run. There was nothing discussed. Our main meetings are Saturday, and you can get all that for self-promotion time for $1.99. You get full server access. That's it, right? So it's kind of like a win-win, right? So it's just about helping. This thing's going. What is it up? So I just wanted to say that. It's pretty cool. So actually what I'm going to do later on today, I'm going to actually pull the server up and do a share on here and show you what it's like again for the people that haven't seen it. Javi, how you doing, bro? How you doing, my friend?
Hey, Javi, what's going on, boss?
Yeah. Wow. He just gives me, just puts a smile on my face every time I see that guy. Like I just,
no, he's a good guy.
Isn't he? Just doesn't complain about nothing. Like you wouldn't even know it, right? So
exactly.
Just go get her. But Javi, just since you're here, I don't know if I sent you an email, but there's gonna be an invitation out there. I know that depends on. I know you're tired all the time and stuff. We've talked about it before. But if you wanted to have it, you could even have first shot in the morning. I'm going to be next week bringing moderators on because a lot of people don't really understand what they do that are new in the market and how much work they do for the channel. Like they are the main backbone to, at least they are on my channel. And I got them up on a pedestal all the time. Like I want them to be more respected than me. That's the way they do all the work. I just sit here and talk and just paste links and stuff like that. So, if you want to come on, that's up to you. There's no pressure there, my friend, but, I'm trying to get Liz on. Pam, I think, is going to come on. So we need a couple more. And we can, I want to hear the moderator lifestyle on their take.
Yeah, the YouTubers job a whole lot easier when they don't have to, sit there and keep looking through the chat to find these bots that come in and live stream, like, you know, live sexy women, and and then, I mean, for me, I don't even know why somebody would even click on that, but it is what it is. People have their own thing, but yeah, I mean, it makes it a whole lot easier when, or if there's drama going on in the chat, they can take care of it while the creator is going through his chart or whatever they're doing. So
You're so correct. You're
I
so
mean,
correct.
I think moderators don't get enough credit.
Exactly, brother. Exactly. That's why I want to put that out there. That they have a huge impact on how the channel runs. Like my moderators are they've kind of they're their own thing. It's like they're their own union or whatever. They talk to me like we have meetings in the morning and stuff. You'll probably see on the server, you'll see me talking to them and stuff. But they do their own thing. Like they're their own group. It's like I don't even notice the stuff that they do. Sandy just told me a couple of weeks ago that, oh yeah, I pulled a couple of people off in this last month. I'm like, I didn't even see anything. I never hardly see it at all. Like that's how protected, and that's what their goal is, to protect your safety. Especially the ladies when they come on here. This isn't it. This is stock trading. It's not a dating service. It's not a creep
Yeah,
line. You know what I mean? There's a lot of that
right.
happens, right? It's sad, right? That they
Yeah,
just want to be left alone and just learn stuff, right?
yeah.
But yeah,
I see Javi's comment here.
oh yeah,
Yeah, I had mentioned about Scott Luca. Um, Me and Javi, we moderate over on his channel, and he's, like I said, he's just for me. It's just, I mean, you sit there and you listen to all these YouTubers going through this DD and watching online on a day-to-day basis, but he just comes in there and he just basically gives you what he thinks of the situation, and he allows people just to come in there and give their opinions, talk, and all of that. So, but he sure is funny. He does these like spoof TA videos,
yeah.
which is funny. He just throws up all these like, I can't remember some. It's funny. You should go check him out. His name is Scott Luca.
I'm just,
And
I'm doing it right now, bro. You've this is the only way I'll do it is you talk to me here, brother, and we're gonna do it
right,
together. So
yeah,
um,
just go over there, and I think he still has a few of his spoof TA videos up, and just to make it plainly clear, is they're not something that you want to take as like actual TA. It's just something that's funny. It gives him a chance to kind of vent, because everybody vents in different ways. And I mean, if you've been in this play for any amount of time, you know that there's days where it's like, golly. But I mean,
so
if you've got somebody you can watch and you can get a laugh from it. It's just, I mean, for at least for me, it's funny.
how do
And
you spell his last name? Scott. Is
it's
it
Luka.
OKA? Okay, because there's a lot of it's a popular name on here. KA. Okay, just give me a second. Is he a bigger? Well, I'll find out in the chat. Is he a newer creator or?
No, he's
Oh, he
been
is.
he's been he's been on the he's been on YouTube since,
Oh yeah,
shoot, I can't even
400.
remember.
He's had about the same amount of videos as I have. Oh no, I got this wrong guy here. Just hang on. There's a bunch of them. Okay, AMC. Oh, okay. Um, Lou video. Okay, he shoot Lou videos and Reddit videos and all that stuff and just pick stuff DD apart.
No, he basically kind of points out, like, YouTubers, where it's like, what was he thinking? Or
Okay, okay.
just kind of debunking some of the stuff that some of these YouTubers come out with. And like I said, he does his own TA and DD and stuff like that. So he doesn't really come on YouTube to provide like TA or anything like that. It's more of kind of like a for me it's like just like taking a break from all the craziness and get a laugh, and you can just talk and voice your opinions,
Is
what
this
you
him?
feel like is going on and stuff like that.
Is this him right here?
Yeah, that's him.
Okay, I just want to double check. Yeah, I just haven't. I'll pull it down because I just don't want to share his content without his permission. I just
Right.
wanted to make sure that that's him. That's why I haven't. I just freeze. I didn't let it play through. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
I got to get his permission before I do that.
Right. And he like I said, you know, he does he hasn't done it in a while, but he used to do like spoof TA videos, and where he kind of clowns on some of these guys that say, you know, hey, watch the line, it's gonna go up this way, and watch the line,
Okay.
it's gonna go up this way.
So he
and,
has a sense of
you know,
humor,
stuff.
like
Yeah,
us and stuff.
like I said, it's just more of like a kind of a break from
Okay.
the um, redundant videos that you see, you know, from day to day. You know, like, you know, you see these guys, and not to disclaim anybody, but people that, I mean, for me, I couldn't watch the line for 8 hours. I'm sorry, I can't do
I
it.
used to, and it is psychologically messed me up. Like literally, like it
Yeah,
started
so
getting
I mean,
depressed. Yeah.
I give it up to these guys. Like, you know, I mean, I think STV and um, what are a couple other ones? TMI. Tony
Yeah.
DeNaro used to do it for 8 hours, but he's kind of broke his up. But yeah, I mean,
It's hard, man, to
it's hard to watch the line 8 hours.
Oh, I used to do it. Like I said, but that's before I did the YouTube thing. So anyways, Scott Luca, I'll get his URL here. I'm not going to share it until I actually look at this guy's. Not that I don't try. I just want to look at his content first. That's just the way I am. Um,
Yeah,
but I do have his name. I did sub to his channel. Just it is what it is. That's the first thing I'd do, and I hit the thumbs up. I just want to do a proper presentation of him. I don't just by me throwing him up here and going, hey, this is the guy hit it. That's pretty um, not professional. I want to give him a
right.
nice opening and talk to him and ask him permission if I can run a couple of his videos, maybe some of his content. Like, you know what I mean? I want to
Yeah,
build the
and
show.
like I said, he's not even worried about, you know, people coming and subbing and liking, and you know, I mean, all that
He's
to
like
his
Casey
channel.
Shaw and myself. It is what it is.
Yeah,
Like if you hit the thumbs up, it doesn't matter to me. Hit the thumbs down, up,
yeah,
whatever you
exactly.
want to do.
Because it gives either if you hit the up or the down,
It still gives it a hit,
it's giving it
a push. Yeah.
whatever. Yeah, it's giving it some kind of traction or
Yeah,
whatever.
it's a hit. It's a hit on the channel. That's what I've explained that before. Like if you go into a channel and you don't like the content, don't touch anything in there. As soon as you start touching things and looking in videos, you're giving it it's recording everything you're doing. So what you're doing is it records the time spent in there. If you clicked on, just say you click on a thumbnail, click on it, and there's 2 seconds into it, even before the commercial stops, if they're monetized, and you stop it, you've already gave them the hit. They've already gotten the strike for payment from YouTube for it, even though it's like cents. But same as the up down, YouTube is non-biased. Okay, they don't care about if you like it or not. You hit the thumbs up. You just gave them a notification to YouTube saying that people are interested in your content, that it doesn't matter bad, good, you didn't like it. YouTube is anti-bullying awareness. They're totally into it. Okay, it's a non-biased thing. Okay, so they're totally, yeah. I've done surveys on that from YouTube a while ago before they put the it used to say like and dislike. Now they took that
Yeah,
dislike out, right? So
exactly.
right, and just it is what it is. They're just all about how long you watch it for. if you click the thumbnail on the main page, when you look up stocks, who do you click on, and that how long you watch it for. That's all they care about. They don't care about anything
Exactly.
else, right? But
Yeah.
that's interesting. A lot of people don't know that, Jeffrey. I've mentioned it a couple times, right? So it is what it is. So yeah, thank you for sharing that with me, and thank you, Javier, for seconding that. I definitely will be contacting this creator. Do you see him on live chat at all? Do you ever, because you watch him lots, do you ever
Yeah,
see him on?
he goes on live usually in the evening times.
Okay.
And like I said, I mean, for some he's gonna come off kind of brash and like people are gonna be like, who the heck is this guy? But I mean, just because I know where his heart is and that he truly does want to see, AMC and GME squeeze. It's just sometimes, like I said, you have those thoughts in your head. He just says, you know what, I'm gonna go on YouTube and just talk to people.
Yeah.
His opinion, and then
Go ahead.
like I said, he allows people to give their take on what's going on, things like that. So yeah, it's
Yeah, if you see him in the chat,
like I said, we became
just
friends.
tell him. Yeah. Well, hey man, that's awesome. If you talk to him on his chat there, tell him I'm interested in meeting him. I wouldn't mind doing a one-on-one, just like on a video chat, just the two of us talking and stuff, and see how it goes from there. I'll get back to you
Yeah,
on the server. I'll watch his contact.
He's wanted to come out with he even got a invite from the Macellorian to come on his live.
Nice guy, yeah.
But he ended up something came up or whatever and he couldn't make it to it. But yeah, he's been wanting to go on live and talk to these people.
Okay. Well, I can speak for myself. I'm trying to just try to get people that aren't, I shouldn't say not well known. That's the wrong way. People that want to get involved in this. A lot of it is hard, like I said, to get involved in some of this stuff because of the way YouTube is set up, right? It's like, yeah, I don't want to get into the details of YouTube and the algorithm and how certain channels get pushed above other ones when they shouldn't.
Right.
And it's not a fair chance.
Yeah.
Right. So
like
if we stick together, it kind of helps. I have a question here for you, because I don't do options. I'm still learning, but I know. Thanks, Sanjay. I caught that. I just wanted to clear that up first. Okay. This question's would be for you. It was directed to me, but can you see that question on there, Jen?
it says, why is there only one option call for June 17th and only one for July 15th? Yeah, for April 14th, 22nd, and 29th. Yeah. And what stock? I don't even know what stock.
We'll wait for that question. This person's been asking for a while. Thank you for having the patience when we're doing a collab. It does take a while, and I appreciate you waiting for that. You definitely nailed it with the capitals across the bottom. That's what you got to do with me to get my attention. Not all the time, but I'm just saying that we're kind of a little bit off this morning. We're kind of taking things from a different angle. So I will leave that up there, Jeffrey, just so that when this person, Debbie, messages you on the bottom, she'll probably message right away.
Yeah, I'm assuming it's probably either for AMC or GME. So I'm just pulling it up right now.
Yeah, brother.
So look at it.
I can pull another chart up for you if you want, but that's easier on yours to move things around because you know where the option stuff is. Yeah, I wish I could share. Yeah, that's crazy. But anyways, yeah, I'll let you do your thing here. I'm just going to look to see if I missed anything else here. And thank you for, I see a bunch of, go ahead.
What dates was she looking at?
She was looking at this. Why is there only one option call for the June 17th and only one for July 15th? Yet for April 14th, 22nd, 29th, available dates to use, and May 6th, 13th, 20th, and 27th. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Did you want me to, the main one's the 17th and 15th, June 17th and July 15th. why is there only one option call for June 17th and only one for July 15th? I don't do options. Are you still? Oh, he lost his signal again. We've got to wait for Jeffrey to come back. He'll come back. He's just on the other screen. There you go.
No, I don't know what broker she's using, but I just
GME.
looked up mine.
Oh, AMC.
Oh
sorry,
man,
AMC. Sorry, brother.
yeah, I looked up mine and I see all the way through. Hold on real quick.
Yeah. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. Take your time. I'm just going to look over here at options on AMC. Oh, same. Yeah,
Yeah,
Kim's saying that.
I have
Yeah.
a full set of options for
Okay.
AMC for June and July 15th.
I do too here at 2
So I'm not sure
17th. I
I'm
don't
not
see.
sure which broker she's using. It may be her broker.
Yeah. What Debbie, what broker are you using? That can definitely make a difference here. For sure. Are you Canadian American? Does like that makes a difference too. So yeah, I pulled up June 17th here, 2022.
Yeah, because I think if I go to mine, it freezes me. So if you want to pull it up on yours.
Yes, I can do that, and then you can walk me. Like I said, I this isn't my forte here, but I'll share it with you, and maybe I can learn something. Like I'm totally different type of trader. I'm gonna pull. I'll leave the question up. What I'm gonna do is just try a different thing here, so maybe we can get up. There we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, I'm on. I don't know if you can see this. I'm on AMC, and I'm on the 17th of June. Did you want me to do
Right.
anything here for you?
No, see, so you got them both pulled up. So if you scroll up on the calls,
Oops.
just no. Go there. Now scroll up. You should be able to scroll up. No.
No, it won't let me.
Oh,
The only
so
what was the other one? July 15th,
yeah,
June.
July 15th.
It won't go anymore, man. It won't go the other way. Oh, I might have to
No,
close this. Nope. It's maybe that's right. Maybe she is having yeah, there's no more down there.
no. Go to. I think she said July 15th.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
hit
July.
that one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, July 15th. Oh, it's because I had it open. That's why.
Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
see that's showing some in the money and out of the money
Yeah.
calls. But you should be able to, because like on mine I have a full set. I think I have all the way from here. Let me check real quick.
Okay. So she's using Weeble and Robinhood. This is Debbie, this is a Weeble, right?
Yeah, for July 15th, I have all the way out of the money from 19 to 28 for my calls.
Okay. So that's weird.
And
That's normal. His phone
and
cutting
then
out.
in the money, I have all the way back to $9. So
Okay.
I mean, it's weird. What did she say she was using?
Okay. She said she's using a Weeble and Robinhood, like both of them.
Oh yeah. Oh, I honestly, I mean, Robinhood, they're known for doing shenanigans. So I don't know. And but I've really never had a problem with Weeble. I didn't have Weeble back when the buy button was taken away. I had
Yeah.
Public, but
Okay.
Public never took the buy button away. So if anybody's out there that, oh, the only thing I don't like about Public is they don't have options. So it's all just straight stocks.
Yeah.
But
Doug
they
did.
are not, they're not payment for order flow. Some people say different things about Public. Well, they're not payment for order flow, but they use Apex, but they don't use Apex anymore. They went to it's more of like a tipping system. Like, so you tip them like for the play.
Yeah.
Like, if you buy a stock or whatever, you could tip them 20 cents or 50 cents or whatever. And it's kind of like a donation basically. And that's how they get their money. And the CEO of Public has came out and specifically said that he's against PFOF. So, I
Yeah.
mean, I don't know these guys, and I mean, I know there's some that they're smarter than me, obviously,
Yeah.
but
She's saying
I don't
about
know.
buying, Jeff. Sorry to interrupt you, buddy. Update and reboot your app. Definitely, that's what I was going to say. And then Doug mentioned that too. I've had issues
Yeah,
with this.
there is.
It always is updating, and if you haven't updated the newest version, sometimes this stuff might be left out. But the other thing is, she's saying that. Just hang on a second. She said that I'm talking about buying. Does okay? So that's what we were we were discussing both of it, weren't we? That's what.
Yeah. Hold on,
Yeah.
real quick.
Yeah, go ahead, check it, buddy. Wow, what a nice guy for doing this stuff. Checking this out for you, Debbie. You're not. I can't see on here. You're not a Wolfpack member, are you? I don't see that on here. You're not on the server, are you?
I'm I I could buy an option if I wanted to right now. So I don't
Okay,
know. Yeah, she's
thank
probably
you.
just has to refresh it, or she might have to do
Update it.
like Doug said, to do an update.
Yeah, go to the App Store and check it out. If you're with Android, it's really easy. I know that. Just go into the App Store. Weeble does update like every couple times a month. Um,
Right.
So yeah, thank you very much, Debbie. And if you want to know more about this, Jeff, and we have Mediocre that they deal with this stuff. This is totally out of my. I'm totally different. I'm into dividend and day plays and long plays, and I'm into stock squeezes. Like that's what I specialize in. This is. I'm actually learning some new stuff. So that's why I brought these gentlemen on here that they are going to be teaching me in a lot of the aspects. Just hanging out with them. So yeah, if you're, I can't tell if you're a member of the Wolfpack, but if you are, then just come to the server. I'm pretty sure Jeff will talk to you one on one on video chat and walk you through, and then you can pull up your screen. And if you're not, yeah, you might. This we can. These guys can help you. You might want to think about it. Okay, no pressure. I'm just bringing it up. Okay,
Exactly.
thank you very much for that.
I saw in there Christy is in there. Not your friend Christy, the other
Oh no,
Christy.
the mod. This one right
Yeah.
here. She's awesome. Oh,
Tell
sorry.
her to leave her pink finger vest at home.
You've been catching that vest too thing. We were gonna. That's funny. That's. I'm just gonna pull this screen share off here, for a minute. Give us a chance. Uh, she's awesome. She's got a lot of a big job on her shoulders with the server and stuff. And she just does an awesome job. Totally, all the mods do, but she's the only girl out of all of us guys. Like it's, I give her credit. Like she's always getting
Yeah.
razzed, and I'm like just waiting for, and she never comes up. I always say, hey, if it's too much, just joking around. I try not to, just because she gets it from Sanjay and all the other guys, and she's like, no, I don't mind. No, I actually make it's fun. You guys are hilarious. So I'm like,
Yeah,
okay, if it gets
just
right.
since I came over to the Wolfpack, she's made me feel like, I've been there, the whole time, and she doesn't act like I'm new or anything. She just, so that's pretty cool. I appreciate that, Christy.
Well, there you go, Christy. I just see the stuff from the sidelines and stuff. I always get all the mess. Sometimes I'm busy, but I really appreciate that feedback. That goes a long ways on stuff like that. We're always striving to be better, but the mods were telling me about the other day, well, you can't get any better, man. Like, have you actually stood back and looked at your server? And I said, no, I'm too busy, my friends. And they're like, well, um, it's people are always joking and laughing in there and stuff like that. So that's good, because especially in times where you need it, right? So, and of course we're serious about some stuff, but I just let it go. The mods deal with it all, and that's awesome. Thank you for the feedback on that, um, Jeffrey, and we're grateful to have you in there for sure. Um, Definitely, my friend. I see you helping out all the time. With even new people coming in and stuff like that, just with the little things, right? Because there's a lot to know in there. That server is like huge, and just all the video chatting, and just you hit the wrong button, all of a sudden you're live with somebody. It's different than Discord. Like it's like Discord on steroids, right? So
Yeah.
thank you. Did you want to go through any? Oh, hey, I just want to cover this one. I'm going to do. What did I now? I got a frozen screen here, so I'm just going to go through. Um, stuff here. Shout out to here. Doug wants to say a shout out to, yeah, Doug. Doug's a war vet. Wow, man, we have a lot of war vets. A good handful of them on the server there, and what a bunch of decent people. Yeah, like so. A shout out to all the mods, especially Sanjay. Yeah,
No,
right
it
on.
says accept. It says
Except,
accept
yeah,
Sanjay.
except Sanjay. That's funny because Ma, Miss Harris's, that's
That's
his
because
favorite.
Sanjay's the one that gives so much. That's because Sanjay gives so much crap to people.
He does. Well, yeah,
Nah,
that's his
says
job, right?
LOL. He's joking.
In a good way. In a good way. In a good way.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
No, Sanjay's cool. I like Sanjay.
yeah. And Christy's the head of the VIP lounge. Yep, that's her little. She runs the whole show over there.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, she's the number one mod. And we got to make that more noticeable to the guys. Are just there to hang out and just keep things kosher. But yeah, she's the
Right.
main one. She runs the whole show. That's her. Yeah,
Oh,
she's
okay.
got all that under her, and she just takes it in such a good way. She doesn't take it as in its power, like I have all this power. Totally normal. Like it just, I got to
No,
watch
yeah.
out for
Like I
that.
said, she's made me feel like I mean, I've been there forever. I mean, she's not like, oh, should I stop talking or should I, walk on eggshells or whatever. It's just like she just goes through, and that's kind of how we like yesterday we got on this pink finger vest thing, and it's just funny.
That's right on. Thanks, brother. So I'm going to jump into some AMC stuff here because a lot of people just want to watch this. Just trying to think what time of day it is here. Just trying to. Sorry, my friends, if we're just talking as friends here. That's what happens when you become friends, I guess. Right? We're kind of like
Yeah.
talking when you read, looking at stocks here, but it is what it is. So we're gonna get back into AMC here. On this down pull. Okay, I'm on the 5 minute. I like to do the 1 minute. It is having another up pull here again. We have that line set up here. If it does hit this again, I can see it tapping off of it. That's just, I've seen this usually at 3 to 4 time hit before it actually punches through. Like that
Give me
line.
1 second, Cam.
Go ahead, bud.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah. So yeah, Wolfpack, thank you for being patient with the questions and stuff. Totally. Okay. Okay, boys. So yeah, I wanted to. Does anybody want to get us to cover any other ticker symbols? We're just going to keep an eye on this AMC and GME. They're pretty much doing the same thing back and forth today. Hopefully we can see this. I do see a negative pull. Hopefully this will go up. As you all know, I want this to go up, right? But if it does go down, that's why I said about the rebuying for people that can't afford these higher prices. Where are your friend Mediocre Trader? Mediocre Trader's doing some day trading. You're supposed to come back here. He's doing an update on his server. Maybe he's not going to come back. It's all good. I kind of I wanted, what it is he does day trading, and he's such a nice person, and he cuts he cut 2 days of his work, potentially making money, just to come on here, and he just cares about other people more than looking after himself. Well, he has a family and stuff to look after. Like that's what his income is doing this stuff, right? So options and stuff. So like that's what I was saying. Like go do your options and then come back. Set your options up. So I'm just going to share the screen share. I think Jeff's on an important call there, which is fine. I love this software. You can do that. So what I'm going to do is just let him do his thing here. It frozen because he's on a different screen. So anyways, Wolfpack, we had a bit of a lag there. Sorry, my friends, about that. I'm ratting you. It's called a dry rat. He swore. I'm just joking. Sanjay. Anyways, you can't do anything wrong with Miss Harris anyways. So we'll go back to AMC here. On the 1 minute here, I'm going to zoom in here. Can you guys? Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Perfect. I love this. We're going to do really good in the squeeze with this the simulator here. Hello, everybody. Good morning, my friend. And there we go. Now the chat start working. We were at a freeze there for a while. Japan. Hey, my friend. I seen you over on Pantheon's channel too. Welcome back. I just want to have a look at GME here. Yeah, it's switched up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Suncor Energy's at $41.45, 0.80. Sango, you noticed the algorithm was reset too? Dude, I just seen that on the server that he mentioned that the algorithm's reset. I just noticed that just now. That's what I was doing when I went like this. They definitely said it's reset. It's not, it's out of sync now. So you caught that at the same time as me, my friend. Yeah, so there's a reason why I check that all the time. So I see on this HYMC, I've seen some concerning stuff on this. Okay, I've seen it before. I'm just gonna talk about it. Okay, we're seeing this. You guys call it barcoding. I call it. Miss Harris is here, but I can't say it. This is computer generated. It's not even algorithm. It's crap. Okay, and that's what it is, straight up. So what this is just computer put out stuff. It doesn't even move the ticker symbol that much. It doesn't even have test lines. It doesn't even have like test limits, pullbacks, or anything like that. It's straight sold or bought. It's weird. It doesn't even have the chance to do that. I've seen this before, but not on the day trading, like out in the open like this. Usually it's after hours, but this stock has been acting weird and I'm not the only one that noticed this. I mentioned this, I think it was to Froggy. I think it was Froggy. And he knows that too. This is not normal for this stock, for any of them. So I just wanted to say that. It's very concerning. Okay. So it is being controlled. Like we already know that the institutions and hedge funds already got their meat hooks into this thing big time. Okay. So this is, I stay away from stocks like this. Okay. Are you back, brother? Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
What do
I'm
you
back.
think?
Sorry.
No, don't say it's all good, man. Don't worry about it. The cool thing about this is I can just continue on it. Like I'm just there's so much I can talk for days about this stuff. Have you noticed with this HYMC? I guess you guys have heard of the slang term barcoding, but I call it computer generated algorithms because there's no test. There's no wicks. It doesn't test and pull back. There's no resistant.
Oh yeah, that's like one YouTuber calls it ping ponging.
Usually you see it after hours, post and pre-market. Yeah. But I'm seeing this on open market with this HYMC, and I don't like that. That's not good because it doesn't have.
Well, it is heavily shorted. Mm-hmm. You know, I think the last time I looked, it was like
40 something,
34% or something like that.
Yeah, it was. You said that. I think it was somebody that said it was up. It was at 44. And then they
it was
some new information.
But I think it was either yesterday or the day before it went to 34.
Yes, correct. And do you have access to Weibo by any chance?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Oh, dope, man. Is there any way you can check this out on Weibo? I'm just curious. I'm just curious to see our hedge fund list here, what they look at compared to like that Ortex. I'm just curious to see how much it is off on a stock, like, because this was just updated, right? They update this. So HYMC. I'm just curious because I'm gonna have to pull this down because I don't share these documents. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this down for a minute. I don't share my specialty documents. I'm on the wrong one anyways here, but yeah, I just got to pull up some software that is not shareable on YouTube. Okay, yeah, it went down even lower. I got let's say the refresh here. Yeah, because I don't pay for like I don't buy Ortex just because I need more accurate stuff than that. I got 30.80.
31.49.
Okay, that's pretty close. That's hey, you can't beat that. That's wow. I'm surprised they're even that close. I do want you to check out AMC if you wouldn't mind, please, for me. And I just want to compare the two.
All right, hold on.
Thank you. I really appreciate you this, Jeff, because this makes a difference on our squeeze tools and stuff that I'm working on right now. I got 20.29% short of float.
Mine says 20.72.
20.72. Pretty close. Pretty close. Just give me one second. Just give me 1 second. I just want to get the actual number on that. I appreciate you doing that. So you pay for the whole meal deal on that, eh? What is it? How much is it now? I don't even.
Um, I don't know exactly how much it is. I've had it for probably 9, 10 months, so
Oh, so you
I
get a
don't
good
even
deal
know
on
it.
it then.
It just comes out of my account each month.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay. I was just curious. So I got 20.29% short of float on that. So
yeah,
pretty close, right?
right.
Okay, cool, man. I appreciate you doing that. So yeah, Jeff, I don't really have that much to get into that much. We've been on an hour and a half. I can. It's up to you. You can hang out with me longer, or you can get on with your day or whatever. It's up to you, my friend. That is totally up to you.
Actually, yeah, I was gonna tell you, I gotta take care of a customer right now, so I'm gonna have to head out. But
It's all good. It's all
hey,
good.
man, this was fun. Like I said, it's a lot easier to come in and talk to people, live instead of typing.
It is.
And I got fat fingers, so you guys always know. You're like, what does that mean, Jeff? You're gonna have to retype that.
Oh, right on. Thanks, buddy, for keeping it real and stuff like that. I really, really appreciate you uh, giving a lot of information and sending me emails and stuff, just with stuff that the average person doesn't have access to, or just stuff that you've come across. Um, I really respect that. You are definitely helping the wolf pack out. And I just want all the wolf pack. Everybody has their own thing that they help on. I just
Their own little niche.
Okay. I'll let you go, buddy, because I know you're busy. Take her easy, Jeff, and peace. You're welcome here anytime. Okay. I'll see you on the server later on. Okay. Bye,
Thank you.
buddy.
See
Thank
you
you.
later.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Wolfpack. Thank you so much. You guys are so respectable in here. Okay. So I'm going to cover up. Yes. Cam, look up prog. Yes, I can. I can do that for you. And I'll bring it up on the list here for you, my friends. Screen share. Okay. And this one will be here. Yeah, you guys are so polite. In the 1 minute. Okay, I'm on the 1 minute right now, and we'll bring it up. Okay. Anyways, sorry, I was just looking at something on Prague. I need to get the light fixed. I need to get the light fixed on my keyboard again because I can't really see. That's half the problem here. Prodigy. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. Yeah, you were saying that. Who is this? Is this T or Mr. L? Yeah, Mr. L and T. We've been watching this for a while, this kind of stuff. Thank you, Mr. L. This thing down at 2. I actually haven't looked at this stock. We haven't pulled this up in a while. That's the same thing. I'm gonna make a video on this, my friends. I've got enough data on this right now. I just need to set up I'll set up this computer over here. I wouldn't mind getting 4 stocks. So this is one, the other one, 4 stocks, market open tomorrow. I want to see how this thing reacts to the algorithm when market opens. Okay. I want to see how it behaves. Isn't that funny? Behaves, but how it reacts and behaves to the bell. Okay. There's they switch up when between there's different computer software that takes effect between closed market and open. Okay, because there's obviously the breakers. There's a whole bunch of rules that come in effect. There's a different template that's put in effect. Okay, and if you didn't know that, that's what happens. Okay, that's why there's no breakers, and there's a whole bunch of stuff that is non-applicable to after hours, post and pre. Okay, I just want to do a pullback on this. We haven't looked at this stock in a while. I was not happy with this stuff. Yeah, I'm still seeing the same stuff. This isn't bad, but it's a bleed. It's just like constantly up, down. Yeah, man, there's a lot of people holding money on this still. Same thing. Collapse. Collapse. Wow. Collapse. Man, that's scary. Yeah, it's the same stuff. These are ladder attacks and high frequency trading all day long. These are ladder attacks, right? Yeah, those are ladder attacks 100%. I'm on the 30. 1 minute's even worse. Okay, 1 minute. Just hang on a second. I'll show you something here. Actually, I'll go in the 5. It's easier without scroll too far. Yeah. Wow. That's crazy. Mr. Al, how long have you, or anybody out there on YouTube, how long have you noticed this thing doing this? Well, you guys call it barcoding on Prague. How long have you noticed this for? I'm just going to make a really in-depth video on this to cover this stuff and explain what is happening. I've noticed it is mostly on the stocks that the institutions are really involved in, stuff that is that a lot of people are holding bags on, like a bag. They have no money, right? They've lost money. Bag holders. I've noticed that this barcoding thing happens on a lot of those stocks, and I just wanted to. I'm making a video on it and just showing some stuff so more people are aware. So yeah, it seems that a lot of this barcoding is coming from high frequency trading and ladder attacks. So if that is like I bet it's on MVI. MVIS is one of the most famous stocks for ladder attacks. I've actually done a video on it. So I'm just going to do a 30 here. So this is what I'm talking about right here. There it is right there. That's the famous slide, the slide of death. Okay. So this is like there's nothing there. It's just pure lose money. Okay. And there's no volume. Yeah, that's a gain. See, it's tied into low volume and ladder attacks and high frequency trading. It's like they have it locked. So you can't do anything. Okay. They won't let it go do anything. See, there it is again. See, it's tied in. See, I've already done quite a bit of research on this. I have the key to the puzzle now to make the video. So there it is right there. There's a plain old ladder attack. That's clean as day. Okay, that's exactly what that is. There's another one right there. Okay. There's 3 crows right there. 3 crows, top one green with the green on the bottom. 3 reds, 3 crows. Opposite 3 soldiers is on the other side. I'm just doing a little bit of data compiling here, my friends. Yeah, there it is again. Okay, so that's exactly what it is. 100%. Okay, I got enough data on that to do what I need to now. Thank you, Wolfpack, for putting up with that there, me doing that. You just guys helped me make a video. So I'm going to get into more of this. And I'm going to show you what to look for. If what I think I'm seeing, which I'm going to run a test on it tomorrow morning on open market on this computer, I've nailed something that's really important. It'll save a lot of you traders from losing money. Okay, because I can literally spot this from a mile away, and you guys have too. But a lot of people don't know what it is. Okay, so I know what it is. I'm gonna tell you guys in about a week. I'm going to show you some live feeds on it because I like to have the DD and the live charts to back it up to show you. Okay. On that, we're going to go through some questions here, and I'm going to just going to see. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you, everybody. I'm just reading the comments here. If I miss anything on the bottom, please just capitalize me. I really appreciate that. Mods, one of the mods want to go over, thank you. Go over to the server, please, and hit Mediocre and just ask him if he wants to come on for a while. And if not, then we'll go through some more ticker symbols. And if you guys don't want to talk about anything, we can just shut this down, because it is what it is, right? It's just one of those days. Yeah. There's MVIS. I bet you there's the same thing happening with this. This is a famous stock for ladder attacks. Okay, look at that wave. Damn, this is scary. Okay, there it is right there. This stock is famous for ladder attacks. Okay, I've done some research on this stock actually, right here. Okay, I'm not going to get too much into it. Everybody pretty much knows what it is, but this is the stuff right here. This is what is unfair to retail. Okay, it's just all the time, constantly happening, right? That's not normal stuff. Okay. 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 CS Trades Wolfpack, the stock squeeze specialist and post squeeze investment pack, helping you get up to speed after the squeeze with day trading options and dividend plays. Thank you, Christy. And yes, a lot of people don't know that about us. We are ranked #1 stock squeeze specialist on multiple platforms. We do have the tools. We do have the knowledge behind it. We have videos to go over and teach you privately or in the server. And we do have all the stuff ready. We have lots of stuff ready. We have stuff that I can't really I can talk about it on YouTube. It's just that it's not fair to the people that are inside the server. But if you do want to know more about it, you can just come over there and ask these people over there. Plug. I can do that. Plug. Oh, plug. I haven't heard that one in a long time. Thank you. Plug. I wonder what the price on that is. I was actually involved in this a while ago. Ooh. Wow. That's not good. Even though it is up. Plug. I'm doing this. I'm typed it in wrong. Plug. I forgot the not much better. Yeah. So this stock has a lot of research involved in it. It's tied into a lot of other stocks, but it has had problems with, I want to check the short interest on this for you, my friends. Just give me a second. I just got to go into this list here. Just give me 1 second. And these squeeze lists and stuff like that, I will show live, but it's what it is it's server access only. Okay. It's just, if I started showing that stuff, our channel would get vaporized instantly. Okay. I don't mind telling you, voicing you what these numbers are. Just showing you, telling you and showing you are two different things, as you guys know. People in the Wolfpack. Okay, yeah, it's down 42% compared to the 26 on volume. It's 28 right now. We're going to go to the analyticals of it. It is it's barely in the squeeze area, 12% short of float. It, like I said, when I talk about these stuff, I want to be very clear to everybody out there. When I say it's on the squeeze list, it means that it's in anything above at 9 to 10 in that area there could potentially have the kick to possibly it could squeeze. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to, it never could, right? I just want to be very clear on that. Just because it's short of float doesn't mean it's going to. Okay. That's just a mathematical formula that we use on our channel. Didn't understand that person's message. Put you right on the spot, Christy. Which one? Which one there? What? Because I'm speaking in code? It's from my wife. Sorry. Oh, the plug. Doug, is that one? Are you, good morning. I've been checking out Casey Shaw. Yeah. Well, I was just over there this morning. Didn't realize Wolf were on. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we support him. It's all good. We go back and forth. I was just on there this morning. It's all good. So yeah, this one, since I've known this stock for a while, it always has these little run ups and then collapses. I'd be very careful on this. This one's dangerous. Okay, this thing slides fast. Okay, look at this in a couple days. Like look at the pull. So you'll get good news. It'll go up. I'm just going to go into a lot of people don't understand what this one is. Okay, it's a hydrofuel cell, which is it's like Loop Energy out of Chilliwack, Canada. Okay, a lot of the world doesn't know what that is. Okay, it's a little city out of Vancouver, British Columbia, just on the outskirts. These companies are good companies. Okay, they have little carbon footprints. Okay, they're trying to minimize that compared to fossil fuels. Okay, they do have a good potential. Some of them are awesome. Some of them you get a lot of kilometers on or miles on per cell. Okay, I've done a little bit of research on this. Just going to look more into this. Where's this one out of? It's been around since 2000. Okay, it's been around for a while. Okay, it's out of the States. Okay, I kind of figured that. I thought they had some offices elsewhere. That's the thing I don't like about this. It just gives you where the main company is. So I'm not going to get too much in this. Doug, are you into this big time? Yeah, no problem, buddy. No worries. Yeah, Christy, I would say Christy Smith, my ex. Like how I put that out there. You got to stay on the go here. It's a little fast, and a lot of it's in code. If we're talking about certain stuff, only certain people know what I'm talking about because of the legalities on YouTube. I'll talk to you about it later on. Okay, make sure you shoot me a pic on Instagram showing you have resumed where. Okay, sorry, buddy. I got to bring this up. I don't use Instagram that much, my friend. I was on it this morning, and if I've had anybody on there where I left off in the gym, make sure you shoot me a pic on Instagram showing you have resumed where you left off in the gym. Oh, I know who this is. Yeah, it's all good. I don't use it that much. Like I go on it maybe once or twice a week. Cam, my wife is in plug for $20. Okay, so $20. Okay, that's something we can work off of. Let's have a look here. No problem. It's all good. You understand. Where is it? You need to hang out more and you'll get the lingo. You should come over to the server, Christy. You should. So anyways, okay, well her average is she's $20. She's ahead, right? I'm just gonna have a pullback here. I'm on the 30 right now. I'm gonna have a look at this for you. Doug, I have a question for you. Are you holding this long, or are you just trying to find your whelm here to pull your pin to invest in other stuff? Okay. I'm just going to ask you that question because I've been working with you on some things here, kind of behind the scenes and open. I just wanted to ask you that because if you're liquidating to buy an AMC, like a lot of people are, or anything like that, that's what we do is help people like that, right? But not on YouTube, definitely not. But I don't like people getting messed up and bag holding, like she's doing long. Okay, then there you go. That's totally different. Okay, thanks, brother. Thank you. Yeah, there's a difference on long. This company has potential. It's just that it gets hammered on. I'm just going to do a year pullback on here. I'm going to leave this one alone. It did go up to the 75. Okay, so she is in an area right now. It could I'm just giving you warnings on this. It's going to go below $20. Okay, we are in a market collapse. And a lot of these are going to pull down. Okay. So if you're going to hold it long, you're going to hold it long. I'm just telling you that right now. But You got to remember, you could be holding this for a year or two until the thing goes back up, especially on some of these companies like this. Okay, but the thing with just this company and Loop Energy is that the price of gas is so freaking expensive now. These companies right here are they could possibly skyrocket all of a sudden. Okay, it's just that I'm gonna check what the short of float is here on here for you, brother, and I'll leave this up here for you. Thank you, Christy. Toto, run to run. Right on. Thank you, girl. Oh, and we do have for after the squeeze, we do have we are set up. I just want to say this. We're set up to the squeeze is just the foundation to success. Okay. A lot of people are like, well, this is what I'm going to retire on. Okay. You can. Yeah, you can. But there's always, you can always set yourself up to just so it's regenerates money constantly. Okay. That's what we specialize in. Okay. For wealth, just setting yourself into a couple plays like dividend. We have a bunch of them that we have, that I'm in actually on a bunch of them. And I can show you off of here how it works, how it just generates money. Now you're the bank. It's crazy. I just wish I could show you guys live on here. Okay, so Sanjay, I say there no excuse. Cam's awesome. Oh, thanks, brother. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's cool. Yeah, we're going to be doing more of that. Okay, I'm just going to check this one list here, my friends, and we're going to wrap. We're going to wrap it unless you guys have any questions on the bottom. Okay, it is short percent. Yeah, 12.03. Okay, I already checked that. I just want to double check and make sure I refresh the list. Okay, so Wolfpack, I just wanted to, and everybody out there, if you're just passing by, I want you all to have a great day. We're going to be on live again on the Froggies style show. Come hang with us there. And yeah, we got a lot to go over tonight. If everything goes good, I think it's tonight we're on with Boss. I think. Just hang on a second. I'm going to check my list here. Give me a second. I'm actually going to go and check my messages before I finalize that. Oh, okay. We'll send it tonight. I was hurrying scheduled. Yes, I guess Froggy Styles is saying, good old Froggy is saying that it's tonight. So I don't know. I don't have a time or anything on that. He does have it on his channel, but I don't want to go saying it because it could change. Okay. I'm going to wait till just have a look on the channel and it'll be posted. If you're a member of or a sub to the channel, you will get the notification. Make sure your bell's turned on. Bango schwango. So yeah, that'll be Boss blunts there. Okay. Wolfpack, I'm out of here. I love you lots. Peace.